So yeah, you might remember my art video I made a few days ago.
Close.
Yeah, Ethan.
Get out, change the slide.
Do you want to come over and play video games? No. Do you want to come over and...
Here's my brother's room. Okay, this is not an MTV house tours. Yeah, his name was Ari, if you didn't remember. If you didn't see my last video I made about Ari, well, go check that out. Pretty sick. It's crazy. Ah! There you go. Oh, there it is. Here's my bird. Yeah, that's all I got for this video. But that's not all. There's a drone. Oh, I meant to say, why is it so dark? The dark web. So you might know the Wreck-It Ralph movie, the new one. I'm gonna wreck it.
Chase, get out.
All right.